Right now we don't know if we're going to arrive before the current is faster than the fastest speed of the boat. We might be out of luck for going to shore and finding a good trail here. The bees keep making their way inside. There's one.
Uh-oh.
Already. Damn it.
There are hundreds and hundreds of these bull kelp.
You hit that one. I did get caught in the prop. I gotta start thinking about a plan B if we don't make it. Rescue mission.
There are times when nothing seems to go your way, with little unexpected challenges where you never know what's going to happen next. And on this trip, the surprises started coming in as soon as we headed into Campbell River and then to Donop Inlet.
So we had about a knot of current with us, but now when we hit the last channel coming into Campbell River, we ran into the place where the current switches. So at this spot here, the flooding current actually ends up coming in from the north. Now we've got 3.5 or so knots of current against us, and we have to get up to our marina before we reach max current, because max current coming through here is 6.4 knots today. At our current speed, it's still going to take us 45 minutes to get this last 3 nautical miles into the marina. And the problem is, in 45 minutes from now, the current is supposed to be 5.5 knots against us. So this is going to be pretty close as to if we can even get to the marina right now. Okay. Oh, this is awesome. Look at this. By going over to the shelf on the far side, 1.2 knots of current eddy helping us out right over here. Now we're back to 3 knot speed over ground. We're out of the eddy, so looks like it's going to take us still half an hour.
Yeah.
Right now we don't know if we're going to arrive before the total current is faster than the fastest speed of the boat. I gotta start thinking about a plan B if we don't make it. There it is.
We didn't expect to run into so much current against us. What should have taken about 45 minutes took a couple of hours, but we made it. It was a little challenging, but no worries. We're here and happy to explore the Desolation Sound area.
Finally, we got 10 knots of wind on our way up to Donop Inlet. So we're gonna sail about the second half of the way there. Hardly see any other boats in here at all.
So peaceful and quiet in here. I love it. You can see all the layers of the mountains as well. Just gorgeous day.
This is what we came up here for. Beautiful sailing, blue skies, mountains, and no other people.
Well, I like people. What's wrong with people?
Donop Inlet is about 3.5 nautical miles long.
It's way back there.
Transiting the channel to the anchorages near the end is pretty simple, except for the narrowest part, about 1 nautical mile in, where there's a large rock on the charts about 5 feet underwater.
So how was it, Jim?
We didn't see a rock. I don't even believe there's a rock there. But
Better safe than sorry.
it's gonna be real really quiet for a couple days. Probably even quieter when half these boats leave tomorrow.
Yes, we need to whisper.
Right now I'm on a mission to find a place for us to go to shore and go for a hike. I think I found the trailhead, but there's no place to bring the dinghy in to hike from that trailhead. So hopefully I can find another place. This might be a beachable place. It looks a little wet. I mean, I found a place where we can come to shore. I don't know if there's any trails here, but it sort of looks beachable with some rocks. Looks like you can crawl around and maybe find a trail up there. All right, maybe not. Private property. We might be out of luck for going to shore and finding a good trail here. Okay, we're gonna check to see if our little bee trap actually got some bees.
No bees.
Okay, kind of like our fishing. I need to do that when we get back. Let's see how shallow this is once we get in here. Maybe we get right up to the falls, so pretty close.
I don't know, I'm starting to see the bottom.
Oh, look how much current though we're.
Yeah, that's cool. Well, we can go back and play cribbage,
And we can see
pick our drafts, have
maybe,
our list.
and maybe I'll try attempt number 4 at fishing.
Yeah.
So how did our bee trap do?
Well, it looks like there's about 10 in there.
Wow, check that out.
The
It
sugar
works.
water alone wasn't working, so I added a little piece of pizza.
Ah, everybody loves pizza.
Sausage, yes.
The problem is the bees keep making their way inside. There's one. Ah. Oh,
Okay.
I'm gonna get it. They keep making their way inside the boat. Okay, here we go.
While we never found the trailhead that supposedly goes over to Squirrel Cove when we first dropped anchor, we were also unable to traverse the rapids to the saltwater lagoon near our second anchorage. And now it was time to head out.
Let's pull it through. Oh, there's a knot at the end of that. Oh man. There should not be a knot at the end of it. Guess it's gonna get caught on rocks, the tree.
And we don't have the dinghy anymore.
Right.
Uh-oh.
Already caught. God damn it. I should have seen that. Rescue mission. First thing is we're going to try to untie the knot that should not have been at the end of the stern tie line and see if we can pull it all the way through at that point. If it's still stuck, then we're going to have to feed it back from around the tree. All right, success. Good job. So all it was the knot?
Pretty much, I think, yeah.
Oh, whoa. Okay. All right, we're trying to get out of Donop Inlet. And there's a narrow part where there's a rock right in the middle, and you have to go around it. But there seems to be a sailboat right up ahead that is stopped right in the little channel. So we're not quite sure what he's doing, what his intention is. I don't think he's on the rock. So there's somebody on the foredeck there. Is he going to talk to us as we go by, probably?
Maybe, yeah. Were you waiting for us? No. Thank you. Yeah,
They were
you're
waiting.
on the rock, right? Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, it's
What?
at 10 plus right now.
Yeah, it's plus 10 right now, and I think the rock's at 5.
So you've got had loads of depth going through that.
Yes.
No, it was fine.
Yeah, but stick to the right. Yeah. All right. Enjoy.
Ultimately, it's not about the challenges, it's how you deal with them.
Look at that, we caught a fish.
Because when you're sailing, stuff is gonna happen.
I'm gonna just bring it on board here.
Oh, is it a baby salmon? We should throw it back. Hi, honey.
All right, too
Bless
small. Yeah, either you'll live or somebody will eat you. Here we go.
And in this case, we chose a couple nights at April Point Resort to reset and reprovision.
In this life, we know some trouble. When you worry, you make it double. Don't worry. Be happy.
Welcome to the farm stand. I'd like to get some carrots and some peppers of some kind and maybe some more tomatoes.
That's what I call tomatoes on the vine.
But that string of little unexpected challenges, well, they're not done with us quite yet.
We're leaving here. Yeah, I see it.
There are hundreds and hundreds of these bull kelp.
Oh, let me get that one.
And we're trying to, it's like playing a video game.
All right, hold on.
Because look at these things. There's
Right behind you. Yeah. I'm trying to avoid this one that I think's attached to that.
It's kind of like rubber, though. It bounces off.
Yeah, well, it did get caught in the prop once.
With the...
Okay, we got out of it.
Don't worry. Be happy, happy, happy.
And just like when the current finally switches to your favor,
Picking up over 4 knots of current as we come down south along Water Island.
we're back in the groove.
5 knots of current.
With no worries, no matter what challenges lie ahead. We're just happy to be here, on the boat, heading out to explore more of BC's Desolation Sound. To follow all of our adventures and challenges, click to subscribe and follow us on Instagram at SailingSV Indigo.